Kia ora team, out here for another little hikoi. Brought along a different gang today. We'll do the intro shortly. We're at the Waiahine campsite at the moment, about to start our walk into Totara flats. It is currently drizzling. It is just going to keep raining, I think, for the whole time, but we're camping out tonight. It's going to be good fun. Let's go meet the gang.
This is what it looks like. He was sucking me off.
It's the new gang. Those other young bucks were just weren't any fun.
Rest in peace, old gang. We're the new gang.
We're the new gang.
Boo, old gang.
Let's introduce the team.
Yeah.
We have
Matt.
How are you today, Matt?
Good. Ready to rock.
Scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for this walk?
Good 8 or 9.
Scale of 1 to 10, how experienced of a tramper are you?
Well, that's subjective. I'd say 7 or 8, probably.
And we have
Pete, what's up?
scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for today's tramp?
I haven't felt anything since 2004, but so 2,
Is that the right answer? Go higher. Just go higher.
3,
Little bit more.
4.
Just fuck it. That'll do.
4, nice.
Go with it.
And scale of 1 to 10, how much tramping experience do you have?
This is my first time, so we'll see what happens.
We've got the Bush Virgin here.
Wait.
Let's enjoy it.
Did he say that's his first time?
Yeah.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
She's a little bit wet, but that's always good fun. Let's get into it. Starting here, following the river. That's the oldest hut, the Saya hut, the oldest hut that I was talking about, and that's Totara Flats hut.
Oh, yeah.
But around there used to be farmland. They used to farm that, the Saya family.
Oh, we're literally just going
used to farm that. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. That's cool.
It's rock.
Oh, amazing.
So Matt took us on a quick little detour just down to check out the river before we go across the bridge, which is nicely located back up near the car park. Thanks, Matt.
I love that you blame me for that.
Look how many loads you can do on this thing.
We've got the Jim Nemo Bridge. Thanks, Jim. Look at the booty patootie. That'll get the viewers. Fuck, you look huge.
That's not as long. You don't need that.
About an hour and a half in, team. Weather's holding off so far. It's nice temperature. Very, very slight drizzle. And hopefully at this rate we'll get there before dark, get set up. Lash cool.
Good, thank you. A lot of up and downs, in and outs, ran around,
Getting hydrated.
getting hydrated.
About 3.5 hours walking. We made it to our cheeky little camp spot for the night. About to get set up here. Someone left us a nice little fireplace. Gonna sing some songs and have a couple of beersies around that way. Yeah, roast some marshmallows. Oh. We did have a bag, right? Oh yes, nice. Couple of marshies. Let's go. Lumberjack Pete here. That is, I'm a little bit blinded right now.
I know, I haven't seen the sun.
We don't need a flashlight. We've got Matt's legs.
Neon legs. Yes!
Fucking luxurious camp shoes, I gotta say, Matt.
Rubber ball sole.
They don't get filthy?
They get filthy. They get absolutely. Oh, there we go.
That's it.
Morning team, survived the night, a little bit damp. Didn't do the best job of setting up my tent, but it's just after 7 now. Time to get cracking. Let's bring on day 2. It's not raining at the moment, so that's good.
No.
Morning, Pete.
I saw this
Morning.
coming. Yeah.
This is my hair. I woke up with this and they won't stop talking about my hair. So
I don't
need to
have
see
a
my
head.
hair.
So it's fine.
Sizzle, sizzle, sausage in the morning, yeah. Straight off, sausage in the morning. Cheese roll, snag.
Thank you, campsite. Thank
Yeah.
you, campsite.
Thank you, namaste.
Thank you, Manny. This is a good call. Have we left anything at all? No. If somebody dies in the bush.
And no one's around
and
here,
they,
right?
and they rip my
Well, thankfully the rain cleared and the wind hasn't picked up too much. We're fueled up with our morning sausages and about 30 minutes into the walk back here at the moment. It's pretty muddy, quite a bit of rain came down last night, so thankfully the boots are holding up so far. Very muddy. Good tramp if you like mud. Waterfall. We made it. Nice work, bro.
And you, brother.
Dude, that's so good.
Good stuff. Sizzle, sizzle, sausage in the morning, yeah.